Can I push it?
Yeah.
So you said don't open it all the way.
Yeah, don't open all the way, cause.
Okay, like is this good?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Okay. Oh, it's a Westie. Well modded.
Westinghouse from 1967.
Can you help me with the doors? This is so heavy.
These doors. Yeah, these are one of the most heaviest freight doors I've ever operated.
Okay, I'm gonna do my tap view.
Installed in 1967.
Okay, I'm gonna hit 3. No, we can't go up.
I think the door might not be shut all the way. Let me see something.
Okay.
Let me make sure that outside. Let me make sure the door was shut.
Okay, hit 3. Try 2, maybe. Oh, look, they locked it off.
Oh.
You have to put a key in now.
Yeah, it was working before. It was working like literally before.
Yeah, I guess maybe they saw videos on YouTube and they decided to put a lock, or oh, I guess it's an epic fail. We can try again next time.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can call it upstairs.
Okay.
Yeah, this gate is so heavy. Oh my gosh, this is heavy.
That really sucks. We can't ride it anymore.
Keep pressing into the freight elevator door like that.
Okay. And that's it.